Welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the WordPress plugin Folders by Premio. It is a fantastic way and one I use to organize the folders within your media library. It also has the settings that you can organize your pages and posts as well. But for most of my clients and for my use, I just stick with the media library. So make sure that you get folders installed. Again, it's by Premio, and it will walk you through the setup, and you can say which ones you want to enable. So again, I just enabled it for the media library. What it will add is this new screen here. You'll see it here. You'll also get some additional options here in your media library. So a couple things. You'll get 10 free folders with the free version. So if you want to create a new folder, let's go here, and for an example, we'll do documents. So in this case, I want to save all of the, or organize all of the PDF documents in here. So a couple different ways of doing it. Let's go here. You can search by which type of format. So I'm going to go to documents. It's going to highlight all of these. You can do these one at a time by clicking and dragging them over to the documents, and it'll drop in there. Or the really convenient way is to use the bulk select function. So let's go here and bulk select. We'll just go through, click all of these, and I'm just going to do the first two rows. So once they've selected, you'll choose the folder. We'll go to documents, select that, and boom, they automatically move. You'll now see that there's 12 documents. This is showing in the unassigned. So again, we're going to select all, and we're going to remove the remaining ones into the documents folders. So that is essentially how you can do it from the media library. Now, there is a new function as well. So when you're adding new images, folder, or files, you can click here and you can select where you want them to go during the upload process. So this is a great practice to get into. Now, if you're installing this on an existing site where you have a lot of files within your media library, there is a really slick function here. If you go over on the menu here and click unassigned files, it'll pull up all your everything that hasn't been assigned to a folder. So again, here you can do the bulk select and choose them. So let's throw these, and we're going to add these to the graphics folder, and they'll automatically move. Or again, you can drag these over to wherever they need to be. So this one we'll call blog image. So I hope that helps, and happy organization.
Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button right now. Stay tuned and check out the channel for other interesting and informative videos.